Best Fiverr gig marketing strategy to make $6,000 without doing works yourself. Exactly how Bobby pulled in over $6,000 on Fiverr without doing any of the actual work. And how you can do the same. Brand new Fiverr course shows you how Bobby quickly cracked the Fiverr code, and how you can too. Introducing Fiverrlicious. High-quality training that shows you how to copy and paste the exact strategy that Bobby used to get incredible results in no time at all, even as a complete newbie. Bobby works full-time. In fact, when I say full-time, I mean full-time. He works longer hours than anyone you know, honestly. Crazy shifts. Up early, home late. And he works weekends too. But he has managed to crack the perfect little side income strategy to bring him some extra cash each week, and only spends a maximum of 1 hour a day doing it. Imagine what it would be like to have people waiting in line for your services that you provide, without even doing the work. Know exactly what to offer them, and where to get it done for a fraction of the price they're willing to pay. Know that every month you have an extra income stream flowing in. And see your Fiverr sales grow and grow, with less than an hour a day being spent on your entire business. So here was Bobby, working a full-time job, but with 6 kids to support. He needed a little bit more. Then one day he thought he'd have a go at Fiverr. He'd heard some of his mates talking about it, and thought sod it. It's worth a shot. But with a big family and a full-time job, the one thing he didn't have was time. Sound familiar? And when he first started as a seller on Fiverr, it seemed that was the one thing he needed. Unless, perhaps he could work smarter. Much smarter, he thought. What if he could not only outsource the work, very easily, but he could charge a minimum of 5 times what he paid to get the work done? Impossible? No. Not for Bobby. You see, he managed to work out the gigs that were selling, and where to get them outsourced easily and cheaply. And all is revealed inside Fiverrlicious. Stop running around looking for the next big thing, and concentrate on a proven business model that works. How good would it feel to finally start generating regular online sales? Well, you can with the skills we'll teach you. In fact, there are already thousands of people on Fiverr making a part-time and even full-time income, and you are about to join them. That's why you're going to love Fiverrlicious. And you can get started right away, even if you have no previous experience. Want to know what gigs to list? Just follow Fiverrlicious and see what Bobby has been cashing in on. Want to know how to get these gigs fulfilled so cheaply it will blow your socks off? Let us show you where to go and who to use. With Fiverrlicious, you'll discover a simple way to list gigs on Fiverr that will not only be extremely popular, but that you can outsource for peanuts. Yet deliver a high-quality result, time and time again. Fiverrlicious will turn you into a Fiverr expert in no time. If you thought Fiverr was so last year, then think again. Because you will see in Fiverrlicious that it's a huge marketplace full of hungry buyers for the gigs we'll show you. If you can copy and paste, you can create profitable gigs on Fiverr using Fiverrlicious. Fiverrlicious is incredibly easy to use, and super simple to follow. With Fiverrlicious, you'll get the exact system that Bobby used to pull in over $6,000 in 3 months, part-time. Step-by-step videos that take you by the hand, and lead you every step of the way. A proven system to make money on Fiverr that works time and time again, for whoever applies it. We'll even show you how you can buy gigs for a single dollar. And you can sell them for what you like. Even as much as $50. Isn't it about time you picked up a sweet little training course that didn't promise you'd make hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in the next 15 minutes? But actually showed you an honest and genuine system that you can do yourself and get real results? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. More of a make some extra money in your spare time for real scheme. Yes, for real. And the great news is it won't break the bank either. For a limited period only, we are almost giving Fiverrlicious away, it's that cheap. Grab Fiverrlicious now. If you reach this point in the video, you deserve appreciation, and here are the rewards in the link below the video. Do not forget to support us by clicking on the like button, subscribing to the channel, and activating the bell. You have all respect and appreciation, my friend.